Hi, welcome to our introduction to Google Ads Ngram analysis. In this video, you will learn why Ngram analysis is such a powerful method for analyzing your Google Ads search terms. With these insights, you will optimize your search query reports completely differently, resulting in cost savings and better ROI. First, what are Ngrams? According to the definition, Ngrams are a sequence of n letters or characters, especially one occurring within a longer sequence, such as a passage. In the context of Google Ads, these items are words in search queries. Let's have a deeper look at what precisely this means. So we have a practical example of Ngram analysis in action. Let's take an example from a Google Ads search query report, Buy Sneakers Online. Ngram analysis breaks this down into parts to understand and leverage user search patterns. A 1-gram or unigram is the simplest, focusing on individual words like buy, sneakers, or online. Moving on, bigrams combine two words to form pairs, such as buy sneakers and sneakers online. This pairing builds context and shows us how users combine terms in their searches. Lastly, the trigram encompasses 3 words. Buy sneakers online, presenting the full query as a single entity. This gives us the complete picture of a specific search phrase that users enter into Google. By analyzing these Ngrams, we can fine-tune our keywords and negative keyword lists, enhance ad relevance, and ultimately improve the performance of our Google Ads campaigns. Let's explore the importance of Ngram analysis in Google Ads. Firstly, Ngram analysis is instrumental in pinpointing the terms your potential customers search for most frequently. Secondly, it uncovers the patterns and trends in how users search. By understanding these patterns, you can better align your campaigns with user intent. Next, this analysis is key to identifying which queries aren't performing well. It helps you find and eliminate those that are costing you money without bringing in conversions. Moreover, Ngram analysis aids in sharpening your focus on the search terms that perform well. This lets you optimize your bidding strategies and add copy for those high-value terms. And finally, it's invaluable for refining your list of negative keywords. By knowing which terms to exclude, you can prevent wasted spend on irrelevant or unpredictable clicks, thus saving costs and boosting the efficiency of your ad spending. So far, I explained the concept of Ngrams. Now, let's look into search term analysis for Google Ads using Ngrams with concrete examples. Firstly, I want to explain why Ngrams are so beneficial using a live example. I'm sharing the search term dashboard in PPC Rocket from a live account for this. This example analysis uses the search term date range of 30 days. So the search terms, including all KPIs, are based on this date range. You can obviously also set other date ranges. Then, I added some filters, like the keyword status enabled, campaign and ad group status, search term targeting status, etc. Next, we see the detailed breakdown of this account's filtered result list of search terms. Each term is paired with metrics like impressions, clicks, cost, CTR, and other KPIs. As you can see here, all search terms contain the word AGG. In the following example, we are going to run a unigram analysis, so the KPIs, like impressions, ROI, etc. of all search terms with the word AGG are aggregated. As search term reports can quickly contain thousands or millions of records, we do not want to do this manually. Instead, we use our powerful Ngram tool. Going ahead, we are looking at the Ngram dashboard. You see the table with all Ngrams generated based on your search term report. In the next few minutes, we will dive deep into the functionality, but for the moment, we are using our example from before, the term AGG, to illustrate one concrete example for an Ngram analysis. So, the Ngram count tells us that 17 search terms contain the word AGG. Next, you see all the aggregated metrics of these 17 search terms. Metrics like impressions, clicks, cost, CTR, CPC, conversions, conversion value, CPO, MR, etc. This view allows us to assess the collective impact of this unigram. Before we jump into each functionality in detail, please remember that by analyzing aggregated data, we can identify trends and decide on the Ngram's effectiveness. For instance, if AGG appears in search terms with high costs, but low conversions, we may consider it to set the word as negative. Conversely, if AGG is part of terms with strong ROI, we could boost our bids on these. This level of analysis is crucial for optimizing our Google Ads to perform better and more cost-efficiently. I want to explain some mature features in detail. First up, our tool offers predefined analyses for different types of n-grams. A unigram is a single keyword. In comparison, a bigram pairs two words. The next one are trigrams, analyzing 3 words. And lastly, 4grams. That means we are splitting and aggregating the data accordingly. This helps in understanding how different combinations of words perform in your campaigns. Moving on, you can view n-gram reports at different views: account, campaign, or ad group. This allows you to pinpoint exactly where in your campaign structure an n-gram is having the most impact. As a specific bigram driving conversions in one campaign, but not another. You'll find out here. Optimize your strategic insights with the Ngram tool's date range feature, offering preset or tailored time frames. It's important to consider various date ranges because some n-grams and search terms only reveal their true potential and value with the passage of time. Now, let's talk about filtering. You can filter n-grams by various types, like n-gram word, campaign or ad group name, n-gram count, and many more. You can use the conversions filter if you are looking for all n-grams with a minimum of 1 conversion. Also, combinations of filter usage are possible. And if you find yourself using the same filters often, save them as presets for quick access in the future. Enter the name of your filter and click the button Save. In the future, you can select your saved filters in the preset filter list. From our dashboard, setting an n-gram as a negative keyword is a simple and efficient process. Click on the button Set Negative in the list. In the modal, you see the word to set as negative. In this example, it is online. Now you can define the match type, like broad, exact, or phrase match. Next, you choose the negative option, like ad group, campaign, or negative keyword list. Additionally, you see in the table if a keyword has already been set as negative in your ad groups or campaigns. Once you submit the form, the tool pushes the change directly to Google Ads via the Google Ads API. In our n-gram analysis tool, you'll see a count of how many individual search terms contain each specific n-gram. This count is crucial in understanding how frequently an n-gram appears across different queries. A higher count means that the n-gram is present in many search terms. This information is valuable when deciding to set certain n-grams as negatives, as it helps in identifying those that are frequently occurring but may not be beneficial for your campaign. Another powerful feature is the ability to list every search term containing a certain n-gram, along with important performance metrics. To see all search terms, click the Show All button. This search query list is instrumental for deep diving into each search term. As you see, all search terms contain the word online. The metrics per search term are on the right side of the table. You saw exactly these metrics in an aggregated view in the n-gram dashboard I previously shared. Doing this task manually is a lot of effort, and it is often impossible for huge accounts. Another feature is that you can set a specific search term as negative. A concrete example is when your n-gram analysis shows that a word is not performing, and you deep dive into the search terms to maybe set only some of them as negative. So, you're in the driver's seat and decide what's best for your account performance. Let's summarize the key features of the Google Ads n-gram analysis tool. N-gram analysis is usually an extremely time-consuming task. With our tool, it becomes a 5-minute job. Also, the dashboard is user-friendly and highly responsive, allowing for swift n-gram performance analysis. The n-gram analysis offers predefined analysis for unigram, bigram, trigram, and 4gram. The n-gram tool also works with huge accounts, including millions of keywords and search terms. All reports are updated daily via the Google Ads API, providing the most accurate and current data. You see detailed n-gram reports per account, campaign, or ad group. Access comprehensive metrics for each n-gram in your defined date range. Filter n-grams by various KPIs, names, and statuses, and use preset filters for easy access. Select flexible date ranges, up to 365 days, for thorough analysis. Quickly see the search terms count and all related search queries per n-gram. Effortlessly set an n-gram as a negative keyword in specific ad groups, campaigns, or negative lists. Analyze if an engram is already marked negative in certain campaigns or ad groups. Start your engram analysis now. Connect your Google Ads accounts today on ppcrocket.com. For more powerful Google Ads tools to boost your online marketing, visit our website. Thanks for watching.